Today we had a 4-hour long meeting on election preparation of northeastern states. Except Mizoram, all the northeastern states leaders had participated in this meeting. Basically, Rahulji is not in a position to attend because of his ill health, little bit fever. Congress President has given a clear direction to the leaders of northeastern states how to fight the elections, how to move forward, how to organize the party in a bigger level. Initially, we had discussed the situation in the Manipur. Our leaders from the Manipur had briefed about the situation in the Manipur. We took a silent prayer. We also controlled the death and observed silence for all of those nearly 150 innocent people who died in this manufactured violence. We took a silence and we unanimously passed a resolution on Manipur also. The leaders of the Congress party from the entire Northeast, under the leadership of Congress President Sri Mallikarjuna Kharge, have expressed grave concern over the situation in Manipur and underlined the support and empathy with the people of Manipur for maintaining peace. The entire Congress party stands in solidarity with them. The inaction and silence of the Prime Minister and the BJP government on the situation in Manipur is unexplainable, unforgivable and criminal. The government of India has abdicated the responsibility to the people of Manipur, in particular in the whole of Northeast in general. The Congress party, especially in the Northeast Pradesh Congress Committee, will continue to raise the voice of the people of Manipur and demand quick resolution for ending the violence there. The union government should take strong and all necessary steps with sincerity for maintaining peace and harmony in the state. We demand immediate ceasefire and restoration of peace. The Congress party leaders present in this meeting congratulate and express sincere gratitude towards Rahul Gandhi for his visit and spreading the message of love, compassion and peace in Manipur in this time of turmoil. We also condole the death and observe silence for all those nearly 150 innocent people who died in this manufactured violence. Already 70 days are over, but still our Prime Minister is in silence mode. We don't know what matter is stopping Prime Minister to give at least a peace call for Manipur people. At least the BJP party has to explain why Prime Minister is silent on these things. Why he is not in a position to give a peace call? What is stopping to him? If there is any reason, please explain to the country, please explain to the nation. Certainly, entire Northeast leadership want to raise this issue in the Parliament. Today evening we have a Parliamentary Strategy Committee meeting. Definitely we will discuss that issue in the Strategy Committee meeting. That's all.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Any discussion on UCC in this meeting, especially regarding to all northeast states?
Certainly northeastern people have a serious concern because you know the plurality of the northeastern states. Majority of the states having huge tribal population. They have their own customs, their own religious rituals. They have concern. Northeastern states have their own concern about this. They shared that.